Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the washer fluid cap, and this is one, unlike the other ones that are held on with 3M tape, like the coolant and the oil cap, this is going to be a full replacement. And Gold Ranch Supply, they even send you the gasket for so it seals right, so that, you know, I don't think any washer fluid would pour out, but just to be safe, this one's a full replacement, and it's gonna get rid of this ugly plastic piece right here. So let's go ahead and take that off. Okay, so basically, this is the only blue part on the car, as you can see. Everything else is red now. What you're gonna do, you're gonna go here, and all you're gonna do, I'm pretty sure, it's literally just the hook. And then, throw that shit like a frisbee, and we're gonna go ahead and put the new one on. I'm not sure if you twist it or if it just pops. I think it just pops in. I don't know. Let me mess with it. What the heck? Wait, this is hard to do with one hand, guys. Don't judge me. There we go. So it just pops on. Like, you just push it down. All right, so there you guys go. That is the final cap to finish the look. And if you look at the engine bay now, we have no blue caps. It is all red. Man, that just changes the whole engine bay itself. Yeah, let me know down in the comments if I should do these. Fuck it. Let's full send it, bro. Let's make this thing look nice, show car ready. I know I gotta do the bumper still, but hey, we'll get there, okay? And I don't know what video this is going in, but there you guys go. I'm still showing you everything. I'm gonna be really transparent this year, and I'm gonna bring you content when I can. Not when I can. Once a week, you know? I'm gonna bring you guys content this year. I'm really trying to get monetized, and I'm really trying to bring you guys better content all year long. Alright guys, this is another day. This is going to clip with the washer fluid cap. So these smoked out turn signals just arrived in the mail, and there's a whole bunch of installs on these, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in, show you guys what they look like. This is the most stressful thing I've ever done, man. Like, not cracking this is so scary, and then it just kind of hangs there, which I don't like. So yeah. Alright guys, this is the third day of this video. It's gonna be a random video, okay? But, you know, I'm just trying to vlog what I'm doing in my car and take you guys with me, you know? Like, not all videos gonna be organized. Some of them are just gonna be off the top of the head or in the moment, because I do go to school, I do have a job, so it's kind of hard to organize every single video, but most of them are organized. So I mean, hey, there's always that. As you can see, we have the driver's side smoked out signal in. Go ahead and show you guys. As you can see, it's sequential now, so it does a little flicker out. Okay, so we got that side done. Now we're doing this side. This is like really stressful. I mean, like, it's scary not to break this glass right here, but I got it out, and I didn't really show you guys the other side. So all you do is you release all these T10s that you see, then you take out your mirror cap, whether you have the OEM or these carbon, you pop it out, and that's gonna expose another T10 right here. And then once you have those out, the bottom will release, and then you're able to just pop this in where pop the new one in where the old one is, and then you put it back together. It's very simple, but it is tedious. And that mirror is really scary not to break, because I think they cost like $150 for a new mirror, especially of the dimming mirrors. And the retracting ones, it's like different than let's say the ones on the 320. I don't know what models have which, but you guys get what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna go ahead, install this one, show you guys the final look. Alright guys, I did notice I didn't have an outro for the last video. So if you're new, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm editing a few videos for you guys as we speak. So stay tuned for the F30 content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.